Okay, this is story time of how ubaba wami decided to end a relationship or ibond besinayo. Disclaimer, me and my dad were never close. Kwaseqaleni he was rarely or hardly part of my life. Okay, I'm going to skip events that had happened from the beginning to close to the end, yeah, because I think basically into eyayenzeka ngathola umsebenzi ngenxa yakhe, and then he was like, oh, for my private aviation school wathi yena uzongigcwalisela uhafu, which never happened. I didn't go to aviation. I'm currently in university. I'm studying. Okay, so what happened was ngasebenza, and then my first salary I got it was a lump sum for both months that I had worked, because I didn't get paid on both those 2 months that I had worked. Right. Baba, during that time I needed money for rent, because obviously being on a man, because I wasn't getting paid at that time because the contract has been jan. Okay. Ngicela imali, ubaba wathini? Wathi okay, wanginikeza 1,000 randi, wathi okay, rent, yabo. Where I was at that time was whatever, man. Rent ibincane kodwa ke. Was in the rurals or whatever you want to call it, yabo. Okay, you need that information. I'll tell you later on why you need to just bear that in mind. Okay, so into eyenzeka ngathola imali yami, ngathenga umbhede, I bought everything from scratch, because remember when I came when I started working ngangihlalisiwe, and I was officially moving into my place, so I needed to buy everything from scratch. Kwa ngubo, kwa fridge, kwa mbhede, kwa mopu, kwa zoti, yabo. Every single thing I had to get from scratch, including grocery. Yes. Okay, so what happens is I decided to leave. I left Leandawa, because that was mid-2023. 2022 I matriculated, and 2023 I took a gap year. Right, and I left izinto zami nobaba. Right, ngashifridge, ngashibed, yeah. The other stuff I came back with, or ngaphabangana, whatever the case is, I don't really care, yabo. Then I got umuntu like someone obezothenga i-fridge kumina, yabo. Ngamdayisela, abazali bakwata kwanjanjanjani. My dad and my stepmom had a whole story about it, and I was like, oh, okay, sorry, yabo. I don't know, in my opinion, yabo, my personal opinion, these things they needed. That's why everyone was so upset about the whole commotion that I sold my stuff, right? So told me to take a fridge, yabo. That was 2023. Yeah, 2023 or 2024, I'm not sure, between the two, right? 2024, last year, towards the end, I think it was Besang Buile from Mqanduli. I think it was the 20th, somewhere around the 20th, moving onwards. Nganga fonela my stepmom, Lalilanik. This is very crucial, important, don't own information. It plays a huge role, right? So umbhede wami, what happened was they left it a roomini that was for guest, okanye my room, when I was around. So into bayenza, they took that bed bamba bayoyibeka ekamereni kaboy. I had a stepbrother at that time. I don't have one now. I'm nalo mndeni anymore. Anyway, they took that bed by ekamereni lakhe, because babona, I don't know what they saw, he needed a bed or whatever the case is. I mean, they took my bed by lalisa lapha. So my bed is now in that room, yabo. I didn't have a problem, but I need money, and I have a bed, so I can sell it, yabo. Hi, ngifonele my stepmom. I'm like, hi, hope you're good. Ni janjanjani kwanjani. Hi, komenda benik. Get me na. Umbhede, I want to sell it. So na usakhona right, yabo. Athi na, I bet usa right. Uzobenze njani? Yabo? And she's giving me attitude the whole time. What would have happened to the bed? Yabo? And I was like, umbed uzolalwa yingane zalapho okanye people that come and visit or whatever, yabo. And she's like, imbed ikhono in. I was like, okay, but I'm letting you know ukuthi I'm going to sell it, so people will come. And I even told her, I said, yabo. And she found someone, and this person kept what is this thing, this word, kept pusha, like kept postponing a date that they were supposed to buy. So I was like, no, I need this money right now. So yeah, I dropped the call, and then I call her back. Mind you, I'm at my auntie's place. My auntie is hearing the whole conversation because I put her on loudspeaker. Because I need to sell this bed, and people won't buy bed that they cannot see. You need to see. It's obvious, like it's common sense, but you need to see a bed before you buy it. But is it in the condition I would like to buy it in? Yeah, so she's like, when you don't believe me, you think I sold the bed in and she got really defensive about the whole situation. Yeah, and I was just like, I'm just asking for pictures of my bed. How is that a problem? Yeah, and I'm selling the bed. Choice which is good for you guys as abazali bam, which I shouldn't actually have to beg. That's the bare minimum. Nabazali bam, you guys are supposed to be there for me or whatever the case is. So there shouldn't be a problem with okay. I don't know whether okay, because I had posted on my status, and then I asked like a few people from that area, but could you guys please get someone who's gonna buy this bed for me? So this one girl, she's like, okay, she posted on her status, and she's like, there's someone that's actually interested in buying your bed. So I go back to this stepmom of mine, and I'm like, people want to buy the bed. You need to take a picture for me. Yo, kwabi wishy. Yo, it was a mess. Wangi. And in the was because wangi tuka. And I was like, why are you why exactly are you firstly why are you being all, like I don't see any reason for your moya to be pezulu. Why are you upset? Why are you so aggressive? What is happening? Why are you so defensive? Game better, that's not even yours. Do you know what I mean? So then my auntie is hearing this whole conversation, and she's like, no, something is definitely not right. Wrong. Go to it's better so that you could sell it. There's a problem. So I was like, okay, sure. And she swore me, she did everything. I was like, I called my dad. I was like, dude, I need to sell that bed in. And then he was oh yes. And he started like, wait, now this is fair, babe. I'll tell you what's when you coming here to ruin my marriage in 10 Gumbali. What was happening in Elokeng Fogofisa? Do you hear me? I'm sitting here like, excuse me, what did I do? I just want better yam to be sold so that I can have Imaj. It's fair, babe. Poor Manjektina, I'm gonna buy the bed from you, and then I'm fun kube kontes on Klanganisa now. Yes. That's me now. Okay, that is the story of how me and my dad, we just closed everything. I said, I'm not doing this, and I'm not going to let them keep my bed. Reason being is because when I needed money for rent, my father lended me the money, and I had to pay it back to him, right? He borrowed me the money, and I had to pay it back to him. And now, when I want to sell my bed, there's a problem. I'm pretty sure you don't expect me to give you that bed or that fridge because you borrowed me money and asked for it back. Do you know what I mean? If it was like mhlambe, if you had lent me the money, I was gonna be maybe considering ngisho mina ukuthi okay, kodwa wangineza imali, let me just give him impete. Do you understand what I'm saying? But no, lo baba lona wanted his money, and he wanted. I worked really hard for that. I worked really hard for those things. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna give it to you for free when you had a chance. Like, yabo ukuthi manje kanjani?